Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today on the Aspiring Home Cook, I'm going to show you how to whip up a delicious fig and rocket salad. Not only is the salad delicious, but it's super easy to put together, and let me show you how I do it. To start off, I'm going to cut and prep all of my veg and fruit. And yes, you did hear me correctly. I am going to use some amount of fruit in this salad. Start off by peeling and thinly slicing a quarter of a red onion, and then separate those layers so that you don't get a great big bite of onion in your salad. Next, I'm going to use a pear. I'm using half a pear again, and this is going to be sliced as well. I'm leaving the skin on. I'm also going to use a couple of fresh figs. And to prep these figs, all I'm going to do is cut them in half and then into 4 portions lengthwise, like you can see me do here. As a base for the salad, I'm going to use fresh rocket. If you're in America, you probably call these arugula leaves. We call these rocket leaves. They work amazingly well with the rest of the flavors in this salad. Now, to dress these leaves, I'm just going to sprinkle a little salt to taste, and then I'm going to squeeze in a little bit of lime juice. If you'd like, you could use lemon juice instead. So once you've got the salt and the citrus in there, use as much as you need to taste. Start off with a little and then you can season them a little more as you go along. Give those leaves a good toss just to make sure that the salt and the lime has mixed through well. And that's it. That's how simple that dressing is. You're now ready to assemble your salad. I'm going to start by putting down a bed of those dressed rocket leaves in my serving bowl. Next, add the sliced onion over the rocket leaves. Now be intentional while placing the rest of the ingredients on your salad, because we're not going to toss this salad. The presentation lies in how you place your ingredients. So sprinkle some of those onions all through the salad. You can use as much or as little as you want. Next, I'm going to place those slices of pear all through. Next, we're going to place on those fig slices. I try and make sure to place them in such a way that every little portion or every helping of salad will have a good mix of all those ingredients in it. To add a slightly different texture and crunch to the salad, I'm going to go in and sprinkle on a few pecans. If you don't have pecans, you can use walnuts as well. This next bit is optional. If you don't want to use processed foods, you can leave it out, but I strongly believe that a little bit of feta simply takes the salad to the next level. I'm using some plant-based feta here, and all I'm going to do is just lightly crumble a little feta all over the salad. Now keep in mind that the feta, depending on the brand of feta that you're using, you might want to adjust the salt that you're adding to the salad. Some brands of feta can be saltier than others. And to tie everything together, I'm going to drizzle a little bit of some good quality balsamic glaze. That to me is a stunning and delicious salad. It is simple to put together, but you won't believe the amount of flavor that it packs. Whip this up for your next gathering or even your next meal, and you won't be disappointed. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you really soon in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.